Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy E, the Dividend Passport Bro, back with another video. Guys, today is February the 1st of 2025. We're going to go through the videos real quick, the portfolio real quick, and look at the dividend income that came in. Now, I know I said I was going to go back and get the first week, and I haven't done so. So right now we have an incomplete portfolio as far as the income goes, but you know what, I'm gonna try to do better this month. Okay, welcome to all the new subscribers. We at 2,100 plus subscribers, on our way to 3,000 subscribers. I appreciate all the new subscribers. Like and share the content, guys. Usually I do this at the end of the video and I be forgetting. Join the Discord. Okay, join the Discord. The link will be in the description of the portfolio of the video. So join the Discord. We have over 230 plus videos about dividend investing, and we don't just talk about high yield dividend. We talk about regular yield, lower yield, 2-3% yield dividend investing, dividend kings, dividend aristocrats, those type of things. So if you are looking to invest your money and retire early, you are in the right place. If you're looking just for a laugh or don't have nothing better to do, you are still in the right place, because in the end you're going to learn something either way. So without further ado, guys, this is not financial advice. Any information you take off of this channel, you use it as your own free will. If you need to do your due diligence, okay guys, do your due diligence, because if you don't do your due diligence, you are on your own. Okay, a lot of the things I talk about are just suggestions to help you build generational wealth, but like I said, do your due diligence. All right, this is to motivate alone, not professional advice. All right guys, so let's get into the portfolio. We're going to just get right into it and down to the nitty-gritty. Let me get out of there and get back in here. All right, so dividend came in pretty much. This is the lowest week I have in all of my portfolio combined. Okay, usually this week I'm still building this week, and it's a slow process. You know, I get the big money in the other weeks, but this week is usually low. As you can see, we got $3.27 in dividend from this portfolio. Okay, we go to activities, you will see the breakdown, and that's right about here. Okay, not a lot of money, $3 and something for this week. I mean, overall we have collected in this particular portfolio. This was the only one I was able to pull, right? So overall we collected in this particular portfolio over $30 this month, right? For a $500 portfolio, it generated about $30 this month. It's more than that, but I'm just giving you an average number. But overall, I mean, like I said, this month is horrible, but I'm trying to build this month across the board in the portfolio. And guys, even though it takes time, so let's go to the start of this summary. And guys, when I tell you I am tired, oh my goodness, I am tired. I've been out partying 2 days straight, and I'm not used to that. So my body is telling me something else, and my mind is telling me something else. So guys, I was telling you guys I was going to transfer some money to the portfolio. I did transfer money into the portfolio. I bought some investments. I have $1,000 cash balance. As you can see right now, the portfolio is $6,800, and of course we got a little bit of dividend came into this portfolio, but it's not a lot, because you guys know I sold off the other portfolio, which I couldn't go back and check to do the first week. And this portfolio here is about 3 weeks old, I believe. This is the third week or second week, going on third week, and we already generated some okay income. This week was, you know, pretty good for a small portfolio across the board. If we look at the income, right, let me make sure I'm in the right place. I purchased that. We need to make sure we're just looking at dividend, and you can see everything is selected, so we're going to deselect and then go back to dividend. All right, So dividend, we're looking from here up, right? So this is what came in to the portfolio. This portfolio is 3 weeks old, right? So we got about $23.56 that came into this portfolio. Now, you know, this week was $23. Last week was $18, and the week before that was $104, and the week before that was $16. So some of these people probably go back to the previous portfolio that was sold out, that was transferred over, and I created a new account to start this portfolio without margins. So this is where we are, guys. All right, we're not going to drag this on and make it a long video. I always say this, I'm going to try to keep it on 15 minutes. All right, so in this portfolio, right, my calculation might be jacked up, but in this portfolio, we're counting, this is from the 24th, so we're not counting that. We're counting from here on up. And this is set to reinvest because, of course, it's under 1,000 shares. Anything that's under 1,000 shares, automatically let it reinvest because we trying to grow it to 1,000 shares to where we can pull the money out. And right now, we're not trying to do that anyway. So this portfolio generated for this week $768 coming into this portfolio. Now this week $768. Last week was $1,096 and change. The week before that was $3,700, and then the week before that was $919. And then of course I didn't do that because I was still trying to do it. If I add a number up, I probably would do this video right now because I'll still be over here calculating. So I mean, like I said, it's not bad at all. The portfolio is doing great. All right. Now we go into what you call it, Robinhood, Voice in the Hood. Let's sync this up, right? So this, we're just using it as a visual, but we're not actually pulling any information from here. Update without doing that. So in the portfolio for Fidelity, we generated about $2,000 in Fidelity portfolio, and overall across all three portfolio we generated $2,842.21 across the board. Okay, now like I said, that's my lowest. The week before that, let me pull this out so you guys can see. So people are like, what is he talking about? All right, so this is this week, right? I added it up. It's 25,000, but I don't have the first week in there, and so I have to go and pull that information. And sometimes I do leave a couple of positions out because sometimes I'm not sure if they're from the previous week or this week, and I just rather leave them out than add them in and make a mistake. So if they're less, I prefer to be less and wrong that is more than to put in more and then wrong that is less, if that makes sense to you guys. Okay, so this week we had 2,800. The week before that was $5,871, and the week before that was $10,143. And the second week, January 6th to the 10th, we generated $6,378. And like I say, I don't have the rest of this information for the first week, from December, because the week ended in the middle of the month. The month ended in the middle of the week, if that makes any sense. So I didn't get the information, calculate the information. So as you can see, I did the total here. I added it up without this $9.20. I didn't add that to the total, and we have $25,235.18. So that would be the amount generated, through the weeks that we just passed in January. Now February starts Friday, and you see I got everything in here, right? February 2nd to the 6th, right? That's tomorrow. Why is I got February 2nd to the 6th? December 2nd to the 6th. So I need to go in and change that because I just copy and paste all the other months, and then I go back and edit it when I decide to do the video. My phone is dinging. I thought I had the thing on vibrate. So when I go in to do the video, this will be the 3rd, right? That will be the 3rd to the 7th. So I'm gonna edit this. I'm not gonna do this on here just to make the video longer. We're not doing that. So this is where we are in the weeks, in the months to come after that. I just got to go back in and update it. You can see everything said December, because your boy is lazy. I keep telling you guys that. That's why I use the tracker, because I don't have the time to be doing this calculation. I'll be spending more time in my portfolio than I need to. So I just take the lazy way out. And guys, you know, like I said, this is just for a quick illustration of the income that is coming into the portfolio. This is the Fidelity portfolio. We're gonna go through that in the other tracker. Once it loads, now you can see this thing said $25,000 just alone for Fidelity. Now this is the estimate based on the, you know, the yield and all that good stuff for the portfolio. But I mean, we take it as account, we accept it, and then we go forward, right? Because all we care about is growing the portfolio. Now the thing said average is $38,000 in income. I'm ecstatic. I think some point the thing was like at 460 something, and it dropped down and back at 456. But the income across the board is still high, so that's the part that was kind of confused. But it is what it is. We're just gonna monitor it and see if it changes come Monday or Tuesday. But sometimes it does that, you know. Sometimes it does that. It will give you amount, and then you come back the next day and give you a different amount. But like I tell you guys all the time, it just estimated. And you know, when you're lazy, you gotta take what you can get. And y'all know your boy is lazy. That's why I'm a dividend investor, because I want to do the heavy lifting every day. You know, I do that heavy lifting every day because I make videos for you guys every day. If I wasn't making videos every day, I probably wouldn't look at my account as much. Except if I have money to buy, then I would be looking at my account. But I probably would just look at my account less than 3 times a day because I don't have money to buy. But if I have money to buy, I will always look at my portfolio. So if whenever the market goes down, you know, I'll be buying. That's pretty much the reason for doing that. Okay. So this thing here, estimated upcoming income for the month of February. And you know, February got a few short days. And it still said right now across the board is about $40-something thousand. But February is 41,000. So we'll see based on the first set of incomes that are going to be coming on Friday. And I mean, this week, the week that's coming, we got Coney and Alti, and I have a lot of those. So I mean, estimated would be probably between $5,000 and $6,000 across all portfolio, but I don't know, because that amount can go up or down based on what YieldMax decide to do. And of course, we're not only investing in YieldMax, we invest in other companies, other companies that provide us dividend, but they don't pay as much as YieldMax. So we focus on the YieldMax because they're our big payers, right? So let's go to future value. Let's see if any change here. This look almost like it changed a little bit from yesterday. 10 years, $5,523,000 a year. And you know what? That is amazing. When we get to this point, I can't even think about it. Making even $1 million a year, right? That is crazy. But it's coming, right? It's coming, because I'm not, as long as I got good health, I'm not going to stop doing this. I'm going to continue to invest and grow my portfolio for generational wealth. Guys, like always, this is not financial advice. I told you guys I was going to try to make this video short today, and as promised, we at the end of the video. And guys, remember to join the Discord, like, share the content. The more you like the content, the more YouTube shares this content to other people, because they deem it, you know, good content. So like the content for sure. Leave a comment. I appreciate that. The comments, especially for me, because it keeps me motivated to do these videos every day, right? Whether they're good, bad, or ugly, you know what? It doesn't matter. Once you're not insulting me, man, I don't really care what you say, especially if you're saying something stupid. Okay? You know, everybody got their own opinion. Like the saying, everybody got a behind. So they're like, you know, whatever. You guys get the gist. Okay? I love you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful Saturday. It is Saturday, right? I forgot. You know, I get to lose a day. Today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday. So I'm gonna go hang out with my family folks. We're gonna go around, probably go to Wall City, walk around, show them my hood, my new hood, right? This is the first time visiting here, so we're gonna go do that. And then tomorrow we'll make the other video, the weekend review video, and that will be it, guys. I love you guys. Still blessed. Thanks, new subscribers. Keep subscribers. Keep liking. Keep sharing the content, y'all. Have a great day. Peace out.